Hello again. Welcome back to the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jolene. I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, and I sell modern farmhouse home decor, most of which I teach right here on my YouTube channel, and I teach all of the business stuff as well. So if you're into learning that kind of stuff and you want to start your own craft business, print-on-demand business, etc., this is the channel for you to be at. Okay, so I just made another video, and the video was on my first month of being monetized on YouTube because I just got monetized on YouTube. And while I was making that video, I clicked onto the Shopify site to see what was new with Shopify, and lo and behold, my mind got blown, like blown. Okay, so I don't really sell a lot of my stuff here on my YouTube channel. I mean, I have enough customers at my markets that I go to and people buying my stuff online, and thank you for doing that if you do buy something. But mostly my channel is about teaching you guys how to have your own successful craft business, all of the craft products, and then all of the like business tech and, you know, how to put it all together, how to do it on YouTube, how to get yourself in with affiliate programs, all the kind of fun things. So years ago, I decided I wanted to have a craft business, and the way I was taught to do it was to start your own website first and then start making your products with products and services, videotape those products and services. So everything I do, I am now a partner with those programs. So for like a Cricut cutting machine or a sewing machine or fabric, all those kind of fun things. And I just repeated the process until I could apply for all the affiliate programs for all of the business things as well. And one of those happened to be Shopify, and I've been a Shopify affiliate for like ever now. But I know a lot of people have complained about Shopify because if you are a small business, it can seem out of reach. But I'm here to tell you they have changed what they're doing. Look at the big smile on my face. I can't even believe this is going to help so many people out. So I just want to tell you guys about it. Okay, so first of all, I am a Shopify affiliate. I will put a QR code here. The link will be in the video description and the first comment. If you want to sign up for Shopify and you use my link, I do get paid for that. So there is my affiliate disclaimer. I have no idea what I'll get paid for promoting this program. It's probably not as much as the other program, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so you start for free and then enjoy $1 for your first 3 months with Shopify. So I'm just going to pull up the plans here. So the basic plan is $38 a month. Don't leave me, you guys. I know some of you are like, oh my God, it's too expensive. Like right now, don't leave. I'm going to show you something. Then the Shopify for small teams is $99 a month. Advanced is $389 a month, and the Plus is $2,300 a month. And they have all kinds of features that you can use for your store. Now, I do use this $38 Canadian a month plan. So obviously this is going to be less if you're in the United States because your dollar is so much higher than ours. But they've got the credit card rates here. They've got the standard features, all this kind of stuff. This is the one that I've used. This is the one that I've promoted for forever and ever and ever. But what they've done now, drum roll, please. Also, you should know some stats. They have the world's best checkout. Shopify checkout converts 15% better on average than other comparable e-commerce platforms. They also offer in-person selling. But when you scroll down here, this is the thing that's going to make you the happiest thing on the planet. Okay, Shopify is so freaking easy to use. It's easier than anything I've ever used. It's unbelievable. And now they have a starter program for $7 a month. So you still get $1 a month for your first 3 months, which is fine. But then it goes up to $7 a month Canadian, which I don't know if you're in America, but this is practically free. I mean, what's the conversion on, let's look, what's the conversion on Canada to US? And if we type in $7, it's $4.90 a month. So you can't even get a Starbucks coffee for that. And this is what they're trying to do. They're letting you sell instantly through social media and messaging apps or a simple online store. You could also do retail for $119 a month, and then enterprise, again, get in touch with them and they'll tell you about it. But this is for the basic, very beginner Shopify people that have a craft business, which is what I teach here on my YouTube channel, and they want to get going on a platform where they could expand and it just works. It connects with everything. Shopify, I can guarantee you guys, they don't put anything out unless this thing works. They are pretty smart at that. Okay, so what does it entail? No code setup, perfect for sharing products against social media, or across social media. Okay, so you're going to jump straight into selling. With Starter, your store is ready to go in just a few clicks. All you need is an image and a slick description of your product or your service. If you're selling a service and you're selling, it's that simple. So basically, they're giving you an online checkout place where you can share it easily on all the social media platforms. So they've got Facebook, YouTube, I believe that's Instagram, Pinterest. I think one of these is TikTok. I'm not even sure what all these icons are for because I don't even use. Oh, you could do text messaging, so SMS messaging, if you guys do that as well. Oh, your WhatsApp. Or, so one of those is WhatsApp. I'm not sure which one. I think maybe this one is WhatsApp. Anyways, monetize your link in bio. Want to sell more ways on social? Create a link pop page in minutes that drives followers to your top products and content. Check out link pop. So they're going to give you a link to share it with. You're going to get order management, which is crazy. Receive, manage, and fulfill orders all from a single place within your admin. You're going to be able to see your analytics. You're going to get customer support, and you can grow as you go. So if setting up your own website has always been like this, monumental task that you just cannot complete, but you have a product and you want to sell it, you can start selling it with the app. And then if you find, in 6 months from now or a year from now or 5 years from now that your brand is growing and you want to get more serious and you decided you want to have an actual functioning website, you can do that as well. But you don't have to start there anymore. There's so many other platforms that were, kind of diving into this at one point, like Square, and it would integrate with some things, but not all things. And Shopify has just blown them all out of the water here, and it's going to integrate with anything. So we can go over really quickly what's the starter plan. It's the easiest version of Shopify at $7 Canadian a month. You can create a starter store in minutes powered by Shopify's industry best checkout experience. You can sell products through social media, email, SMN, WhatsApp, and anywhere else you might want to place a link to share a product. You can sell in person with your Shopify POS system. Plus, you don't have to spend a lot of time and effort setting it up. This is the Shopify POS system that I've had for forever. You do have to purchase this separately, but it is worth every penny and it is stupid easy to use. It links up with your phone. And this is how I sell in person at my markets. And you can upgrade to other Shopify plans. What does the starter plan include? How do I sell in person? The starter plan, this is where this comes in, includes POS Lite, Shopify's basic point of sale. Simply download the Shopify POS app. You do need the app. And then you need to have a card reader. And that's what this thing is. So how is it different from the basic plan? The Shopify starter plan is a lightweight way to launch a business and test a sales idea without spending too much money or startup capital on building a full website. With the starter plan, you get access to essential features like product pages, checkout, and link pops so you can sell right away, even if your device is only on a smartphone. So if you don't even want to go to a market, if you don't want to take somebody's credit card and check that, you don't even need this thing. You just need the $7 a month plan. Okay. I told you, go and get it. It cannot get any better than that. Have fun with it. Let me know in the comments what you sell. And if you have a YouTube channel, heck, I'll even check that out. Let me know. Cheers, dears. Bye.